tight.
Yeah.
I'm double checking.
Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Jim, your RV specialist. So one of the things that we do whenever we're messing with the chassis is we're always checking the torque on the U-bolts. And this customer actually just did a Dexter Easy Flex kit down there. And as you can see, the rear shackle link is not in the right direction until we put the weight of the vehicle down and then reset the springs. But we're not only going back and checking all that kind of stuff, but we do have the guys go through the units, and when they're down here, if you look in close, we're actually putting in an indicator, this yellow material that goes on the bolts, so that we know if it comes loose or if anybody's messing with it, and we see that this area has been disturbed, then we know that somebody's tampered with it. So we go through and pretty much mark, and he just did that one just now in the background. We go through and we basically set the everything to the right spec, making sure we do the same thing with whatever we can get, you know, get that on there. That's just to let us know that if something's backed off, or if somebody's done something to it, if somebody's took it apart before without us knowing about it, we can catch if anything comes loose and whatnot. So it's just going to more of like a CYA. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed these videos.